Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, I'm currently working on my Skillshare class number 5, and it's a digital painting class where I use my traditional drawing as a base and we draw on top of it using Procreate. And here's a sneak peek of this course. I'll be showing you how to import your images into Procreate, and this course number 5 will be released by the end of this month. And don't forget that I do have a 1-month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ring the bell to push me into that YouTube algorithm, and let's get to it. Hello everyone, hello. We're going to be drawing or digitally painting Yoda. And this is actually from my Skillshare class number 1. All you need is your iPad, iPad Pro, your Apple Pencil, or Apple Pencil 2. I happen to have Apple Pencil 2. And I highly recommend one of these artist gloves for digital painting. They're super cheap. You can find these on Amazon. They are super easy to keep your glass clean and easy to move around without smudging your iPad screen, which is pretty useful and helpful. So one of the first things that we're going to do is show my canvas. If you go up to the wrench up here to your left next to the gallery, the dimensions, and this is what I have for the dimensions, but you can actually use whatever you like, but I highly recommend you have the DPI at 300 so the resolution can be as high as possible. We want this to look super clean and not blurry at all. So you can make your pixels and height widths as high as you want, but just remember that the higher the pixels, the less layers that you'll get. So this one, the maximum I have is 25 layers, which is enough for what we're going to do. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to show you guys how to import the drawing that I'm going to have for you guys in the download section of this course. So it's going to be a black and white pencil Yoda with a PNG background and our reference photo. So let's go ahead and import our reference photo here, and it's going to be the same way on how to do the drawing as well. So we're going to go to the wrench. We're going to go to add, and we're going to insert photo. Okay, so I have my Yoda right here. And just to show you guys, you can resize it as big as you want. I'm gonna keep it as small as I can, keep it in the corner. And I'll show you the reason why. And just to let you guys know, every time you insert something, it's going to be in its own separate layer. So here it is. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use this as another reference photo as well. So you go to the wrench, go to canvas, you go to reference, and what this does is again, you select that same one. It will always be on top of all of your images. You can resize it here. Now this is just if you want to have it as a reference source outside of your canvas. And it's just an extra resource for you to kind of see if the colors are perfect. It's just another handy way of having a reference photo here besides this one right here on our actual layers. Now that we have our iPad and everything prepared, let's move on to the beginning of the lesson.